Let's learn some colors. Brown color, blue color, sky blue color, white color, green color, sea green color, light green color, orange color, light pink color, yellow color, red color, purple color, black color. Red color, A for apple. B, green color, light green color. B for ball. C, orange color. C for cat. Pink color. D for dog. E, brown color. E for elephant. F, yellow color. F for fish. G, blue color. G for grapes. H, purple color. H for hen. I, green color. I for ice cream. J, sky blue color. J for jackfruit. C, green color. K for kangaroo. L, light pink color. L for lemon. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for pen. Q for queen. R for rat. S for sunrise. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vegetables. W for watch. X for x-ray. Y for yak. Z for zebra. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.